See that this with your right hand is the same direction as this with your left hand? Maybe that'll help. Try starting them both at the same time, like this. It's the same movement, it's just different timing. This is just still the same inside plane stack with the right on top, left on bottom. Yes, and come up toward your face like this. So you're like this. I want you to let the poi fall onto your left arm. Both spinning in the same direction, that's what you want. And then you want to split the time to get into the split time buzzsaw. Or you can always go back to together time if that's more comfortable. And you can always go back to vertical and try again. Toward yourself and then go up over the top away from you. Yes, that. And then let it fall onto your left arm so that it's in together time, stacked. So your right arm is above your left arm. And you're trying to get them to line up and go around together. And then you're trying to split the time. But you're also trying to make sure that the center of rotation with each hand, so your two fingers, imagine, I still think the metaphor for this works well. Imagine you're holding the axle of a 10-speed bicycle tire, and then you're just turning the tire on its side. All you do is, and turning it back to vertical. But I do think in the beginning it's easier to get a sense of this with the two poi together like that. In at the bottom, over the top, and then let it fall to the left, get it flat, split the time. Get it flat together time. And even just going between split time and seam time is a fun drill.